Hi, I'm Connie from Automated Dairy Specialists out of Clearwater, Nebraska.
We're here at Beavers Dairy. I'd like to thank them for giving us the opportunity to work with them on the installation of the Animat rubber. This was a little bit of a challenging install just to get it measured up, make sure that the flush was working properly. Ashhoff Construction did the installation, did a great job. When Brett called and asked about rubber for this facility, his main concern was keeping cows comfortable, getting them some secure footing, and I think we've accomplished that. He has said that he has not had cows slip or split out when they're in heat getting rid, so that's a big plus. The installation looks great. The rubber's doing its job. Hoof health is better. He said he's not blocking hooves anymore. The customer service on the Animat side is very important to me. I wear a lot of different hats in the company, and so if I can lean pretty heavy on the rep from the company, I'm going to do that. And so when I do get that support, it means a lot.